Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to show a different lock screen wallpaper each time you turn on the screen? You can use multiple photos from your gallery. Let me show you how. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. Under the gallery section, open an album. Select the photos you want to use. For this example, let's select 4 photos. You can also choose videos if you prefer, then tap done. Your selected photos will now be added to the lock screen wallpaper. Tap the Start Photos icon at the bottom left to switch between the selected images. If you want, tap the filter icon at the bottom right to apply a filter to the currently selected photos. You can repeat this for each image. When you are finished, tap Done to save your change. Now, each time you go to the lock screen, your phone will display the selected photos in order. This is a great way to personalize your lock screen with your favorite memories. And that's how you use multiple photos as lock screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.